Guys, so we have a problem with our water heater. Yesterday I noticed that the pilot was off, so we're trying to turn it on. We couldn't get it going, but today I have time to actually look at it and see what it could be. All right, so the pilot turns on once I push the button and light it up manually with something. But once I let go of the button, the pilot, it goes back off. So I was doing some research. I looked at some videos, and the thermocouple, which is this right here. It's a sensor that tells your heater that your water heater is on, and that bypasses the gas so it can keep burning. But once that cools down to a certain temperature, it tells your heater that your pilot is off, so it shuts off the gas. All right, so I took it off. I took everything off. So first thing I did is turn off the gas pipe, and then turn that off, and I unscrew the pipes. So this is the main one where the gas goes in. This one is for the pilot, and this one is the thermocouple, which goes on the other side right here. So shut it off, unplug this, unscrew them, take this off, and I'm cleaning this. So I'm hoping that works. All right, so the thermocouple goes in this little bracket. It goes through here and it comes out through here. It's like a sensor. All right, so just pull that straight out and it'll come out. So I'm just cleaning it off. It was hella dirty, hella rust. So let's see how that goes. So first one I did was the pilot, because that one gets me more room, because then I have to put this nut back in here, and that's not going to give me as much room. So first do the pilot to get the most room to tighten this nut. Then I'm going to do the main one, and then lastly I'm going to do the thermocouple. All right, everything's on nice and tight, and everything's counterclockwise. You want to tighten it up, you got to go this way, counterclockwise, all through them. Want to loosen them up, clockwise. All right, so that's open up. This is on to pilot, and I use my lighter to light up the pilot. So now that has to heat up the thermocouple. If it doesn't heat up the thermocouple properly, it's not gonna stay on. So I'm hoping everything's good now. All right, guys, so it's lit up, but I have to keep pressing it. Once I let go, it turns off. It's used to lit, but it's not. The thing I'm assuming is that the thermocouple is bad, or yeah. All right, so this one didn't work. I went ahead and got a new one from Home Depot, $8. All right, so the guy's back on. Everything's ready to go. This is it, moment of the truth. All right, so the pilot is lit.
This is the moment of the truth, it'll work.
And we gotta let that warm up. Remember, that's a heat sensor, so it needs to be a certain temperature. And once that is at a certain temperature, it's gonna let the gas flow through, and then we adjust the temperature on here. Alright, so it looks like it's working. I replaced the thermocouple sensor. Usually when I let go of this, that turns off right away. So now we need to turn this to the on position. Okay, that's still on. And now we're gonna adjust the temperature. And that should
eventually catch on fire. How does it work? Wow! We got a big
Bam!
Bye-bye.
Back in business, bro.
Fire! Can I touch it?
No. How you can touch the fire? It's gonna burn your finger. So guys,
Because it looks cool.
if you guys have my similar problem as I did, that went off. Whenever I let go of the button, it would just die off.
Find it at Amazon.
Replace this.
Go to
No, not Amazon. Home Depot. $8. Oh, aisle was it? Aisle 15?
Aisle 15 or God.
Bay 003.
Right, maybe turn that thing down.
003. We're good.